Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make potato salad easy method. Start by gathering waxy potatoes, eggs, mayo, mustard, vinegar, salt, and pepper. Boil potatoes until fork tender, then cool enough to handle and dice into even pieces. Hard boil eggs and chop them roughly. Mix dressing with a touch of mustard and vinegar, then fold gently to avoid mashing the potatoes. Taste and adjust seasoning, then chill briefly before serving. Whisk a simple dressing using mayo, a spoonful of mustard, a splash of vinegar, salt, and pepper for immediate flavor. Add a little pickle juice or chopped pickles for tang if you like. Stir the dressing until smooth and creamy, then fold it into the diced potatoes and chopped eggs with gentle strokes. Let the salad rest in the fridge for at least 30 minutes so flavors meld and texture improves. Keep mix-ins simple to avoid overwhelming the potato base. A small amount goes a long way. Chopped celery or scallions add crunch, while pickles or relish bring pleasant tang and depth. Fresh herbs like dill or parsley brighten the salad, and crumbled bacon adds savory punch if desired. Add each mix-in gradually, tasting as you go, so the final salad stays balanced and appealing to most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.